Hello, this is week 2 of our interactive journal. My name is Miranda Knobloch, and this is for EDMU 524. Alright, so the 3 stages of lesson planning, the 3 phases of lesson planning provide a structure for lessons where students focus on a topic on inquiry, engage in action, and follow up with a discussion, reflection, and connection. These steps are also referred as the before, during, and after. 4 steps of the problem-solving process. We want them to understand the problem, then devise a plan, carry out that plan, and then look back. Alright, word problem clues, math detectives, clues for solving word problem lessons 1 through 8 with Tracy Lewis. Tracy Lewis is a 2nd grade teacher, and we watched her along with 2 other teachers, the principal, as well as a math teacher, come up with a plan for her class on word problems. The teachers met to discuss what they will be doing and observing in the lesson. Tracy, the 2nd grade teacher, explains how she has noticed that her students just see numbers and immediately add instead of reading the question. They then, when first introducing the word problems, she had her students do a Mars task to learn how to use a word problem. Now they are trying to explain how they get the answer and show their work. The plan is to review the first 2 problems together as a class. Then the students will look at their work and try to figure out how they got there, as well as do the next 2 problems. The point is to see how the students use their critical thinking skills to show their work by getting an answer, by drawing it out and explaining. And these are my sources. Thank you.